We are already discussing active passive voice, and probably in today's class we shall focus on past tense. Last time, if you remember, we had discussed present tense, and we saw last time that how simple present tense, continuous present tense, and perfect present tense. So the sentences, how they are constructed in these tenses, and how they are converted to passive voice. And we came to know that only major core change is with the verb form of in different tense. We should be familiar with the verb and the category of verb. For example, we have category of verb. There are some verbs which don't indicate any action, but they are also called verbs. They are called auxiliary verbs, or in other words, they are called helping verbs. So we have do, did, does. We have, has, had. We have to be, am, is, are, was, were. So according to the tense, we take help of these auxiliaries verbs, and then we have main verb. Main verb indicate action. We have drink, we have write, we have read, walk. These are called main verbs. In other words, they are called action verbs, or in other they are called lexical verbs. And lexical verbs have three forms: pa- present form, base form, original form. For example, drink, it is original form. Then it has past form, V2 form. Drank, for example, drink V1, drank V2, and it has V3, past participle, drunk. So drink, drank, drunk. Three different forms of verb. Same verb, but V1, V2, and V3 accordingly they are changed. It is irregular. This particular verb drink is irregular. There are some regular verbs which are made past and past participle by adding ed at the end. Played, for example. So we get played V2, played V3. They are called regular. So we should know this basic technical aspect about the verbs and their forms, because they are the core aspect in the tenses, and especially in topic like active and passive voice. So it is fine. You have been studying it from your, let's say, for example, primary. Yeah, students are learning active and passive in their fifth and sixth standards. Now you would say that why we at the graduate level should learn the topic like this. But this is a very crucial topic, because all the sentences are constructed either in the active voice or in the passive voice. So, in fact, this is a topic which cannot be neglected. But still, there are very minor points that they are yet we are not clear with. So, this practice is going to be very fruitful, very useful, very helpful to us, so that it will bring to our notice some of our mistakes that we are making, either with punctuation marks, either with any auxiliary verbs, or any position of certain word in the sentence, in the different type, in interrogative, in a negative. And after these tenses we will see different sentences, imperative sentences, wh question sentences, then many other types of sentences. So we are following the sequence. We are going in a sequence. So last time we completed present tense, and you are now very much familiar with the changes in active and passive form. But then too we should do regular practice in order to get complete perfect command over any topic. આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં એવું કહેવાય છે કે ભાઈ કઠિયારો જે છે, વુડ કટર, તો એમને રોજ જે છે જંગલમાં લાકડાઓ કાપવા માટે જવાનું હોય, એમની કુહાડી લઈને, હથિયાર એમનું. તો હથિયાર જે છે એમનું એમનું જે લાઇવલીહુડ છે, અર્નિંગ છે, એનો આધાર જે છે એ એમનું હથિયાર છે. કારણ કે એના વડે એ રોજ જે છે લાકડાઓ કાપે છે, જેનાથી એનું ગુજરાન ચાલે છે. તો હવે એને શું કરવું પડશે? રોજે રોજ દિવસ દરમિયાન આખો દિવસ લાકડા કપાઈ જાય, પછી રાત્રે ઘરે આવી અને એ જે કુહાડી છે, જે એક્સ, એની એજ જે છે એ ધારદાર એને રાખવી પડે. તો રોજ આવીને શું કરશે? શાર્પ, એની 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 એજને જે એકદમ શાર્પ બનાવશે, અને એ રોજ કરવું પડે, રોજ કરશે. બરાબર. એકાદ દિવસ જો કદાચ એમને ભૂલાઈ જાય તો બીજે દિવસે શું થાય? ધાર જે છે બુઠ્ઠી થઈ જાય, અને જોઈએ તેવું રિઝલ્ટ ના મળે, લાકડાઓ ન કપાય જે રીતે એને અગાઉ અણી હોય ત્યારે ધારદાર, એવું જ્યારે કામ કરે કુહાડી, એવું ધાર ન હોય ત્યારે ન થઈ શકે. તો ધીસ ઇઝ એવરી ડે પ્રેક્ટિસ. We should never put full stop to any topic. So that's why it is very important. So friends, we shall discuss today past tense. And we will see four of them: simple past tense, continuous past tense, perfect past tense, and present, sorry, the perfect continuous past tense, in which passive is not possible. Or there are many of you are confident and comfortable with active and passive, but then too I think some of you are yet not comfortable with active and passive. So especially those who have a little problem in understanding this topic, please pay attention, so you will get to know, so where were you, your weak points in the active and passive. So we will follow the same pattern what we did last time. I appreciate last time you all responded very well, and I appreciate the students who were replying responded very well. So it is a good thing, and I also appreciate those who are taking part in the activities, online activities that I'm sending to you. We had quiz, we had then reading comprehension activity, which was very simple, and all of you got a good score in that last activity. So it seems that all of you are very active, and it is a good thing. So friends, today our focus is past tense. But before we discuss past tense, let me make you clear with the verb form. Okay. So in present tense, we had am, is, are. To be form I am. If third person, he, she, is. Or plural, you or they are. So in the same way, in the past tense, we have to be. Singular, for singular we have was, and for plural we have were. I was, He was, she was, and they were, we were, you were. In the present tense, we have and has for perfect tense. For singular has and for plural have. In the past tense, we have only one word, that is had. He had, she had, we had. Subject be plural or singular. Only one, that is had. Another point, in a present tense, we had auxiliary verb does and do. If there is third person singular, it is does. Otherwise, do. He does, she does, we do, you do, they do. So we have two words, so does and do. In the past tense, we have only one word, that is did. So did, w- had, did, was, and were. How many? Four. I repeat: was, were, had, and did. There are only four past to be forms, to be verbs. By using those, we can easily convert any sentence from active to passive. And the V2 is used in a simple tense, simple past tense. As in the present tense, we have V1. In this case, we have V2. And in the passive, in the case of passive, we have V3. The passive sentence, always we make use of past participle V3. Okay, friends. So, like last time, we shall begin today. Let us begin with the simple present tense. Maybe in the next week, active passive will be completed. And then in the next week, then we will discuss some other unit, vocabulary. So before your uh, CIA 1, I think 2 units will be completed. So be ready with unit 1 on reading scheme, reading comprehension, and active and passive whole unit. So 2 units you will have to face or appear for the CIA 1. Okay, so simple past tense. Tell me, what is the form of the verb? Okay, Hina, good reply. Past tense form of the verb, object. You only just write form of the verb. This is entire sentence structure, subject plus past tense form of the verb and plus object. Fine. Good. Hina, good. What other people? What would be the active form of the verb in the simple past tense? Are you not listening to me? Other people? Subject plus V2 plus object. Anirudh Singh, good. Very good. Other people? It is morning. Are you tired? I see only 2 students reply on the screen. And this is for all of you. I have asked not these two, all of you. What is your answer? Simple past tense active form of verb. Okay. So here V2. For example, Rutu, I read a storybook. Good. Mahek Modi, please mute your mic. Mahek, Mahek Modi, please. Okay. So we have example. She wrote an assignment. Very good. I saw a movie last week. Very good. Hasti. Good example are coming. I read a storybook. Very fine. Okay. So I saw a movie. We take last one. Last week. Okay. So see, so and seen. Okay. So is the verb. So this is the verb. V2. I had breakfast in the morning. Very nice. Very nice. So V2. Now what would be the passive form of verb in simple past tense? To be plus to be means in past tense we have to be was and were plus past participle means V3. Very good. What about other people? Are you not comfortable with this? Yes. Yes. Object plus was were plus V3 by plus subject. Okay. Entire structure of the sentence. Okay. Was were plus V3. Very good. Yes. So was were is to be. In past tense we have was and were to be, and in passive voice V3 is used. Example: the car was repaired by me. Very good. Jay Singh. Very good. A letter was written by me. Okay. A difficult question was asked by her. Good. Yes. These are the very good examples of passive voice, simple past tense. Car was driven by me. Very nice. Cricket was played by us. Good. Meet Sejpal, Derya Patel, Hina, Asti, Jay Singh. Good. Okay. Let's say, for example, I was told the truth or by them or by him. Okay. So we have to be was plus told V3. So this verb form indicates simple past tense passive voice. Okay. Don't forget full stop. Then how to make negative of this? There is a operator auxiliary as a operator in the positive sentence. In the affirmative sentence it is hidden. This sentence contains one auxiliary which is hidden. Almost every sentence contains, and that auxiliary is in the past tense. It is did. Okay, so I helping verb in the interrogative and negative did not. When did is used in the sentence, it shows past tense. Then the main verb, yeah, will be converted to original form, base form. C. Very good. Asti and meet. I did not see a movie last week. Here, many people, even if some people who are good at English, make mistakes sometime in hurry. They forget to, change the verb form. I did not saw a movie. They keep, you know, in the V2 form as it was. So this should be changed. So this is the form of the verb in the negative. In fact, not is not the verb. So not is immediately after the first auxiliary verb. And we have then one other category, that is type of sentence, that is interrogative. So did helping verb will be at the beginning. First letter always capital. Not will be removed. We removed. We don't need. So did I see? Okay. This is verb. This is verb. See the change of the verb, and here don't forget question mark. This is how in the simple past tense active voice three types of sentences: affirmative means positive, and negative with the help of did and interrogative. So did is in the present tense we have do and does. In the past tense we have did. I was told the truth. Okay. Here we have already given in the sentence the auxiliary, that is was. I was not told the truth. We did not play cricket yesterday. Very nice. I was not told the truth. Yes. Mahek. Yes. Good. I was not told the truth. And here it is already given. What given? The auxiliary verb, that is was. Here it was not given. We took help of did. Here it is given. So auxiliary, the first auxiliary will be at the beginning. First letter capital. Was I told the truth? And question mark. Very simple. This is how, yes, Mike, was I told the truth. Active and passive voice. This is how simple past tense sentences are converted from active to passive. Very good. Now moving to the next tense, continuous present tense. Sorry, past tense. In the present tense, we have auxiliary M is R, and we use ing form that shows progress. Progressive sentence to be plus ing is used. Very good. But here we are discussing not present tense but past tense. So we have past tense to be form, and they are was and were. So very good answers are coming in the chat box. Was, were plus ing verb form. Very good. Yagnik and Jayesh Singh, Anirudh Singh, good. Rutu was, were plus V1 plus ing. Very good. V1 ing. That is called ing form. So we have to be according to the tense. If it is present tense, then M is R. If it is past tense, then we have was, were plus ing. Example, she was making a speech. Very good. A sparrow was flying in the sky. Very good. Very good. Hina, Hasti, Rutu, we were solving many questions. Very good. Yes, other students. He was playing with his friends. Good. Mahek, I was playing cricket with my friends yesterday. Very good. Anirudh Singh. Yagnik, he was reading a book. Jaideep Singh, the sun was shining every day that summer. Very good. Very good. He was driving the car. Very good. Shay. Very nice. So we take last example. He was driving a car or the car. Fine. They were playing a cricket many times. Very good. So to be was plus ing. So this is what active form of verb. Continuous present tense. Very good. Now what would be the passive? Was were plus being plus past participle. Very good. So was were are called to be plus plus progressive being. Okay. And ing is added to be. Therefore be became being. And passive form we have, we cannot use ing, so we have v3. Very good. Okay, example. A novel was being written by her. Very good. English was being spoken by her. Very good. Image was been being Anirudh Singh watched at my home. Being. It is progressive being. A chess was being played by us. Very good. Other students. I was being advised by my mother. Very good. Mahek Modi. Rest of you are sleeping. Only few students are active on the screen. Yes, I was being advised by my mother. Good example. Rutu, Anirudh Singh, Hasti, Hina, Mahek, other people. Around 44 students are there attending this class, English class. Uh, Some of you are having a proud. આમાં શું એક્ટિવ પેસિવમાં શું જવાબ આપવાનો આવડતું જ હોય ને. Yes, the boats were being cleaned by the men. Very good. Very good. Other students. The book was being read by me. Okay. So we take go with myth. Was being read by me. Okay. What we want is the form of the verb. So was to be, being, and read. V3. This is the form of the verb. Storybook was being written by us. Very good. Now let us make negative of this. ની જરૂર નહીં પડે કારણ કે ઓલરેડી આપણને એક સહાયકારક ક્રિયાપદ વોઝ આપેલું જ છે. અહીંયા ક્વેશ્ચન માર્ક મુકાઈ ગયું છે ભૂલથી. હા, he was driving a car. Okay, so he was only not driving a car. first auxiliary followed by not, it becomes negative. Then we have interrogative. Auxiliary is already given, so that will be used in negative n. W capital. Was he small? Was he driving a car? It is negative. Same way here, passive form. The auxiliary is already given, that is was. So book was. We have three words here. See, was, being, and read. So was being not અહીંયા not નહીં આવે. After being no. Not's position, the word not in negative, not's position is immediately after the first auxiliary, that is was. So it will come here. Was not being read. And in the interrogative, that will be at the beginning. Yes, a storybook was not being written by me. Very good. W at the beginning, letter is capital. Was a small, because it is not at the beginning. Was a book being read by me? Question mark. Look at this. So simple past tense, continuous past tense. You are clear with now active voice and passive voice. Very good. So friends, are you clear with this two tenses? Active and passive. Very good. Moving to the next tense. Perfect past tense. Give me the yes verb form. Had plus, અહીંયા આપણે have has ની માથાકૂટ જ નથી. Do does ની પણ માથાકૂટ. Only did. એવી રીતે only had. Had plus V3. Very good. Had plus V3. Example. He had charged a battery. Very good. I had never experienced such difficulty. Yes. I had boiled water. Very good. I had visited the Taj Mahal before 2 years. Very good. Anirudh Singh, good example. Hasti, Hina, Jayasingh, Rutu. I had cooked food. Very good. Other people. Sir, I had very good, finished my homework. By evening yesterday, I had my presentation yesterday. Very good. Barabar. But we don't use other words here because our focus is only on the verb form. So had plus V3. I had submitted my assignment. Very good. So had plus V3. Very good. In the same way, moving to the passive voice. Yes, had plus been plus V3. Very good. Had તો આપેલું જ છે V3 પણ અહીંયા આપેલું છે પણ એક્ટિવમાં આપણે બિન ઉપયોગ કરીશું. ટ્રાય કર V3. Example. Buildings had been built by us. Very good. Very good, JSC. Other example, assignments had been submitted by us. A lecture had been given by her. Very good. Very good. Any other example? A case had been filed against Riya Chakravarti by Sushant's father. Very good. Anirudh Singh, good example. A car had been driven by me. Very good. So a car had been he had been traveling for 2 days. ING ક્યાં આવ્યું ભાઈ માહિતી હા car had been driven. એક્ટિવિટી છે એ પૂરી થઈ ગઈ છે. car had been driven. So had plus been plus V3, this is the form of the verb. Good example are coming. Very good. I appreciate all of you. Negative. Hmm. Fine. It's okay. It's a practice. Those who try make mistakes. Those who don't try, they don't make mistakes. They are genius people. Attended by us. Very good. I had, you know, not very good because auxiliary head is already given and it would head will be at the beginning. H capital. Had I not finished, I always in the capital letter the question mark. Same way a car had auxiliary is already there. Here it will be only not. Deria Patel has made a mistake. This is what I am telling. Don't do hurry here. Note જે છે એ ક્યાં આવશે? Note જે છે will be after head, first auxiliary. Deria Patel. Don't worry. Fine. So had not avse, had not been. That is what the point that I want to make. Active passive, you know it very well, but sometime in hurry people make mistake like this. So where will be the not after had, first auxiliary? Okay, so head will be the auxiliary at the beginning. Had a car. Capital A is small. Very good. Fine. There you. Don't worry. Good. Here it is question mark. So these are the sentences of perfect tense. V3 had V3 had not V3 had at the beginning not finished not you can also make negative interrogative but here we don't need had plus been V3 had not been V3 had at the beginning been V3. Very good. Now what would be here in the past perfect continuous tense? Past perfect continuous tense. Very good. Had plus been means perfect, had means past, and ing means progressive. ત્રણેય વસ્તુ આવી ગઈ. Here in the active, in the passive, sorry, past perfect continuous tense passive. Not possible. Very good. Here we don't have any possibility. Okay, fine. Any sentence example? I had been reading newspaper for 10 minutes. Very good. Very good example for from Hasti. Yes. I had been, yeah, reading a novel. Yes. Yeah. Means 5 o'clock. At more. Okay. ભૂતકાળની ક્રિયા છે. Very good. Had he been facing? Okay. He had been facing a problem. Yes. Good examples. Very good. We had been traveling for 2 days. Excellent. Excellent. So this is the form of the verb. Excellent, friends. All of you are, I hope, that with present tense and past tense clear as far as active and passive voice is concerned. In the next class, maybe on Saturday, we will discuss two topics: in active and passive, future tense, and WH questions. So that means that collectively together means present tense, past tense, and future tense. We will discuss future tense and then we will see WH questions in these three tenses. So tenses and WH questions will be over by the end of this week. In the next week, we will have another category of sentences. Thank you. Now you can write your roll number on the chat box and can leave meeting. Have a nice day. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you so much. चलो फटाफट कोई बाकी फास्ट चलो रोल नंबर टाइप करो हम कोई बाकी फटाफट